Forgotten username recovery failed on Zacks Fix. If you've lost your Zacks username, most people make the mistake of guessing, but there's a clear, reliable way to recover it. Step 1. Open the Zacks login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. You'll receive an email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you can't access that email, prepare key verification information. This can include your full name, subscription details, or recent account activity. Zacks support can verify your identity and manually recover your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Follow the instructions exactly. Submitting multiple requests at once can cause delays, so be patient. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Zacks support directly. Provide verification details and explain the automated process did not work. Their team will securely guide you to regain access. Once you recover your username, improve account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your login details safely in a password manager to prevent future issues. Following these steps, you can quickly regain access to your Zacks account and continue using its research tools to track investments. Forgetting your username is a temporary issue that can be resolved efficiently.